One of the things that you learn when you've been in business for this long, 20 plus years, is that there are definitely different ways and approaches to selling that take hold and become effective over time. And one of the things that I really noticed through COVID, especially, and I think is going to be even more relevant post-COVID, is how important relationship selling is going to be. When we look at scaling a business, the easy ways to attract and attain customers, whether that be email, phone, or LinkedIn, they're actually disappearing very hard. Those outbound motions are becoming incredibly difficult and their effectiveness is very, very low. And so what we're going to see is organizations shifting back to relationship selling and really thinking about how they can build much, much tighter relationships with their prospective customers. Now, the big challenge with this is it's incredibly expensive. And the reason for that is basically three fundamental things you need. You can either have a really strong brand, in which case, your customers come to you. So fantastic, you're already there, you already own the market, and your brand does the heavy lifting for you. If you don't have the brand, you've got a couple of other choices. You can invest in a, highly skilled enterprise sales team who go to market for you and build relationships for you. You can work with partnerships and alliances, in which case you need a really highly skilled partners and alliance team to work and build those relationships. Or you can invest in a community. So you can build a community function and who goes out and establishes relationships with your prospective customers in a way that brings them into the fold. And so those are the three fundamental ways. Now, you could do one individually or you could do all three together. It's really up to you. But really, what it means for organizations is that for every organization, you'll be investing a lot more, and your cost of sales will dramatically increase over the next 18 months. And that's why I think being ready now, thinking about relationships now is so important.